Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another edition of The Story Behind the Car, and this is a 1974 Dodge van, and the owner is a gentleman by the name of Bruce. He's in the witness protection program, and so he was very uncomfortable getting on the camera. So I'm going to talk about this, and then I'll get closer, but I don't want to show Bruce's face. Not sure what he did, but shortly after he got this, he bought this new in 1974, and he did all the upgrades himself. So I'm going to back up over by Bruce here in a second, and I want to ask him a couple of questions about the van and get some of the information. Bruce, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. What's the significance of the front windows around the passenger door, driver's door? How did you do that?
Just a plate welded in there and painted over.
That's amazing. Now, were there other vans done that way as well?
No.
That was your original idea?
That was my idea.
And what year did you, when you bought it in 74, did you start doing all this upgrading then?
Yeah, a little at a time.
Very impressive. And the paneling really sets it off. Oh my gosh, Bruce has gotten up. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't turn the camera on, but Bruce is actually standing next to me.
You can turn it on as long as you don't have a black light for inside.
Oh yeah. Now, that conjures up all kinds of ideas, Bruce.
Yeah.
Yeah, CSI Miami would have
I had a hard time with the ceiling because I had to cut it just to right so I could get it started in one side and the other and then pop it up.
Oh, okay.
You know, so it fits tight.
Yeah. These things are really becoming popular, aren't they?
They are now again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So holy shit, this is almost 50 years old.
Yeah. One more year.
One more year, yeah.
Yeah.
And you finished it off in the mid-70s and really haven't done anything since then?
No, it's my brother-in-law did the paint. This is natural paint. It was bronze,
okay,
metallic, and my brother-in-law did all the taping and painting, and Bob Ballman.
This is really, I was looking at it earlier today. I didn't know you were over here.
Yeah,
and
that's
really cool. Just
put the leather on the inside or the vinyl. Yeah.
And then you have a saying up front that I noticed earlier today. This van is tired of rocking, so come a knocking.
So come a knocking.
Yeah. So I guess
I used to put on there if this van's a rocking, don't come a knocking.
Yeah. And that's an activity you've cut back on, I guess.
Oh yes.
Yeah. But you're open to conversations about it.
Oh yeah.
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 Provided the right female comes along.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm bachelor now, so.
Okay. And what engine do you have in it?
It's got the 360 4-barrel.
Holy cow. And you got the luggage rack up on top?
Oh, it's got all the knickknacks.
Yeah. And
can't ever use it because I used to have a TV mounted in the cabinet.
Oh, okay.
I went and saw the what was the name of that satellite, or not satellite, the rocket that blew up over there in Cape?
Yeah, space shuttle?
It wasn't it was a shuttle. I forget what they called it.
Was it the Endeavor?
No, it was for that. We went and watched it on TV. We was right there watching it take off, but you could see more on TV than.
Okay.
We saw it the time before it blew up.
Okay. And the significance of the
Fox?
Yeah.
My nickname's Fox.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, I haven't shown you on camera, so far we're doing all right.
Hey, I don't care if you show me. I don't have a record.
Well, this is really, really a neat car, our van, Bruce.
Thank you.
I'm just trying to get all of it. And you got the rear spoiler, too.
Yeah.
So, honestly, this really hasn't changed much in 45 years?
I'd say it was completed probably in 78.
78. I'm going to see if I can get some reaction from these ladies here. What do you folks think of this van? Does it bring back memories?
How would you like somebody to come and date your daughter with one of these?
No. Well, thank you so very much, Bruce. And oh, you got a CB radio too.
Oh yeah, that was popular back then. That was
Yeah.
for the telephones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thanks a lot for telling us the story behind the van, and we
Yeah,
appreciate it.
this folds out to a bed, of course.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And we won't use a black light on that either.
No, don't use black light on it.
No. Yeah, statute of limitations.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thanks a heck of a lot. I'm just going to slide around and get one more shot.
Okay, well, have a good one.
Yeah, I've heard that before.